Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of Ansible on Windows. Yes, it's possible. It's not just a Linux thing anymore. Over time, support has expanded, and now Windows users can also enjoy its automation magic. We'll explore various ways to install it, ensuring you get up and running in no time. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's kick things off with a quick intro to Ansible. Imagine managing multiple machines without losing your sanity. Ansible makes it possible. With simple playbooks written in YAML, no agents to install, and wide adoption in the DevOps world, it's the automation powerhouse you didn't know you needed. Why should Windows users care about Ansible? Well, imagine never having to manually configure multiple servers again. It takes the tedious, repetitive tasks and handles them with precision. Efficiency meets consistency. Plus, it plays nicely with existing Windows setups, making automation a breeze. Before we jump into the installation steps, let's talk prerequisites. You'll need a modern Windows machine, admin access because power is key, a stable internet connection, and some command line confidence. Don't worry if you can type, you're already halfway there. WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, is our go-to method for running Ansible smoothly on Windows. It lets you run Linux commands as if your Windows machine had a secret Linux heart. With WSL, Ansible works seamlessly, making this approach a favorite. First things first, enabling WSL. Open PowerShell as an administrator, type in WSL install, hit enter, and let the magic happen. After a quick reboot, verify that WSL is installed. Simple, right? If only all installations were this painless. Time to install Ubuntu. Head to the Windows Store, grab Ubuntu like it's a free giveaway, install it, and set up your user account. Once done, open it up and verify the installation. Congrats, you're now officially a Linux user, sort of. Before installing anything, let's update package lists. Open Ubuntu, type sudo apt update, press enter, and let it fetch the freshest versions available. It's like getting the latest software upgrades, except for free and without annoying update pop-ups. Final step, install the essentials. Type sudo apt install python 3 Ansible, hit enter, and let the magic happen. Verify it with Ansible version. Congratulations, you just unlocked automation superpowers on Windows. Alright folks, here comes the magic, installing Ansible. First, we grab the latest package, because who wants outdated tech, right? Then, we check for dependencies, kind of like making sure you have all ingredients before baking a cake. Run the installer, tweak the settings, and voila, Ansible is ready. Lastly, don't forget to verify, because even magicians double-check their tricks. If you're a Windows user and Ansible feels like an exclusive Linux club, fear not, Cygwin is here. First, install Cygwin. Think of it as your Linux and Windows toolkit. Pick the right packages, because nobody likes missing pieces. Verify everything's installed properly. And finally, make sure Ansible and Cygwin are best friends. Trust me, getting them to cooperate is half the battle. Installing Cygwin is pretty straightforward. First, grab the installer, easy. Then comes decision time. Pick essential packages like Python and OpenSSH, because Ansible won't work without them. Finish the installation, you got this. And finally, double check that everything is in place, because clicking next too fast has consequences. Now we're setting up Ansible inside Cygwin, exciting, right? Fire up the terminal like a pro. Install Ansible using simple commands, no wizardry involved. Adjust settings to fit your needs. It's all about personalization. Finally, test basic functionality to make sure Ansible isn't just sitting there looking pretty. It has work to do. Verification time. Run the Ansible version command to check if it's alive and kicking. Peek into the config files to make sure nothing's messed up. Then send a ping, kind of like saying, hey Ansible, you there? If everything runs smoothly, congratulations, you've officially mastered installation. Okay, let's get serious. Time to run Ansible commands on Windows. Open the Cygwin terminal like a boss. Type some basic commands and watch the magic happen. Try running playbooks, it's automation at its finest. If errors pop up, don't panic. Troubleshooting is just another puzzle to solve. And that's a wrap. We've covered installing Ansible, setting it up with Cygwin, and running commands like a pro. The best part, you now have a powerful automation tool at your fingertips. If you want to learn more, explore the documentation and test different use cases. Ansible is your new best friend. Time to introduce it to your workflows. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.